to another Skullblocks video. Today I'm versing my cousin Faiza.
I won't say my name out loud.
Okay, fine, I won't say your name out loud. Then I'll just rather say Rose, okay? Yeah, I'm just 1v1ing her today. Like, yeah, it's literally like make a literally a private server in the rival, so we can pick the game mode. And yeah, maybe I'll see next time how to like record on an Xbox. Yeah, then yeah, she's so cooked me if I was on Xbox, man. Where are you? I looked around the whole map. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I just saw you, man. I just saw you here. Behind you. First, I'm gonna crack my knuckles real quick. Oh. I'm gonna crack it again. I'm gonna crack my knuckles real quick.
Wait a minute. Also crack my knuckles. You chance, I give you a chance.
My game is messed up. And like, bro, literally the FPS is so low on mobile.
You start on.
I'm not on YouTube, man. I'm using my screen recorder. I'm gonna post it, by the way. Waiting for my grenade to recharge. Oh, hi, I see you. Down there. Come on now, we'll open up. Where are you? Nah, she's trying to disappear, man. Nah, but I'm following her, man. Nah.
See?
My shot. Die! I enjoyed my first. You can't leave. You can't leave. If you leave, you know what you already know what I'm gonna do if you leave. No.
Please?
Wait. There's more fun game mode. Let me just get this rounds over with. Don't leave. I'm gonna. Faiza, wait. I'm not gonna put on the normal thing. Then you wanna pick up all. You wanna pick your guns. If Faiza leave, she's gay and lesbian.
Honestly, this thing so.
Faiza, you want me to get the better game modes for you?
Did you play a different game?
No. Fine.
So what?
This idiot ain't even leaving, man.
It was so.
Hey, yeah, guys. By the way, now the other day I went on like a win streak grind. Look at my win streak, man. Look at my flipping win streak, man. Man, not you.
Look at.
I know. I can see on the player tab.
Are you still playing?
No, I'm not gonna leave. Oh, I'm a bumblebee. A bumblebee loves to eat cheese. Faiza, since it's so dark and there's no electricity, no?
Huh?
How am I gonna use the bathroom? I'm now gonna come back, no? I'm just gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
Did you take the bottles out?
I keep forgetting this.
Did you take the bottles out?
Oh, I'm a bumblebee. A bumblebee who likes to eat cheese. Oh, I'm a bumblebee. A bumblebee who likes to eat cheese.